I'm getting is used to describe a change in someone's state or condition, or the state or condition of something or a situation. Examples: I'm getting impatient for the release of the exam result. I'm getting tired of the constant argument of my parents. I'm getting pissed at the way that man has been staring at me. I'm getting taller and taller every time I see you. I'm getting wet as the rain starts to become heavier. I'm getting serious about achieving my goals in life. I'm getting indecisive because of too many options. I'm getting bored with the everyday routine of my job. I'm getting obnoxious as she continues to hang out with those kids. I'm getting worried about their grandmother's worsening health.